the madman. My daddy is selling pure water. Look at him, the pure water man. You see?
First we hear of this.
Amarachi!
He shock you.
Wait, oh, Amara, did I tell you that I'm mad? You want to get a couple to come and pray for me? Eh?
Let me ask you, what is the difference between you and madman? Look at your 30 clothes.
It's not madness, I'll say, sir. It's just a condition. But it's not the reason why you want a couple to come and pray for me. I never mad finish, you know.
Yes, your poverty condition is very obvious. And you need deliverance.
Brethren, hear me. The Bible makes us to understand in the book of Exodus chapter 12 verse 16 that the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. So, brethren, hear me well. This is not the end of your life. I repeat, it is not the end of your life.
Shut up. Wallahi me I like this man. Don't mind now. You pray for me I fall. Shut up your mouth. Wallahi shut up. Wallahi brother, I pray for me I fall. If pull am from table, that will not be done full. If I pull am from rubber chair, wallahi that will not be done full. If I pull am from this house or Iroko tree, yawa, wallahi tell like that will not done full. Check it now, pastor. Stupid pastor. Evangelist Musa,
Come out, Jared.
Thank you for watching that funny Mumu Ekota comedy. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more funny videos. Okay, yeah? And turn up your notification for more.
Okay, please take me to Yaba.
Okay. Chai.